In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a domain in GoDaddy. If you need to transfer your domain to another registrar or make changes that require the domain to be unlocked, this process is very simple once you know where to go. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the correct account where the domain is currently managed. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is where you can access the main account settings and all of the products connected to your account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows everything you currently have in GoDaddy, including domains, hosting, and other services. Since we're working specifically with a domain, look for the Domains section and click it to continue. After that, click DNS. This will take you into the management area connected to your domain settings. From here, click Portfolio. The Portfolio view helps you see your domains in one place, which makes it easier to find the exact one you want to manage. Now, locate your domain from the list. If you have more than one domain in your account, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one. Once you find it, click on the domain name to open its details and management options. Next, scroll down through the domain settings page. You're looking for the section labeled Transfer. This is where GoDaddy places important controls related to moving your domain to another provider or adjusting transfer-related settings. Under the Transfer section, you'll see the Domain Lock option. To unlock the domain, toggle Domain Lock off. Once it's turned off, your domain will be unlocked. This lock is a security feature designed to help protect your domain from unauthorized transfers, so only disable it when you actually need to. If you're planning to transfer the domain, unlocking it is usually one of the required steps before the transfer can begin. After you've turned the lock off, it's a good idea to double-check that the setting has updated properly. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page. Also, keep in mind that some domain actions can take a little time to process depending on the system. And that's it. That's how to unlock a domain in GoDaddy quickly and safely.